Hello everyone, welcome to another daily bug bounty challenge. This is Ali and I'm very glad to see you in here. So let's see what we should do for today. Before that, let's see what we do. Oh, in the previous day, we read some write-ups and excuse me, I think my display got wrong, something wrong with that. Wait a minute. And okay, as you can see, we're doing some hunting and reading some write-ups, and that's it. We're doing subdomain discovery, use the recon tool, and doing certificate search in the CRTSH, and we can't log into the showdown.io. We're trying to do that for today, and we run the HTTPX pool, and we don't get any. How can I tell that we don't get any results? And today I'm going to run that tool in the server. And it's okay. And after that, we run this command to see the ASN details about all the IP addresses. But in here also, we don't see anything. And today we're going to do this again. So get back in here and let's see where we were. And okay, we were in here, and let's open up let's get in the work profile and see what we have in here. Before that, let's tell you something interesting because of let's show you. I think it's cool to see. And okay, let's open up this one. And as you can see in here, some of our friends said that they improve the audio quality. So for today, I'm going to do some struggling with how can I tell that, with the audio setup, trying to config how can I tell that, the gain, compressor, noise, and something like that. And I think it's better for today. And thanks for the mate for tell that to us. And another interesting thing is let me show you the I got a comment that is, I think I should tell that to you and record on the video for where is that comment. And I think this one. Okay. Let me show you the complete. Okay, sorry for the fly. And that's it. I think it's better to show in the video, and let's see. Okay, let's minimize this one. And as you can see in here, some of our friends asked for the said us that started with cybersecurity and already did my networking and security constant. I too wanted to get started into bug bounty. Which course you would recommend me for this? Please help me out. I said that let's start with Hacker 101 and Portswigger Web Security Academy. Both are completely free and beginner friendly. and you can solve the labs in the Portugal to get your hand dirty, and it's very cool. And the Buckcraft University is cool too, and even the YouTube channel of the Buckcraft University is better. And try hack me also have some free rooms that very helpful. And I my recommend my main, how can I tell that? Okay, my mainly recommend is to read this book. Very helpful. The Web Application Hacker's Handbook. How can I? This book is gold, gold but old. Very helpful. Get you a straight view to how is this field look like, and very helpful. But it's old, but you should read this one. And the Bug Bounty Bootcamp by Wikily, super beginner friendly and written with bug bounty hunters in mind. Real world bug bounty hunters, the hacker playbook tree, and web security for developers. You should read books, and it's very, I think, helpful. Thanks from the my friend to ask this question. I think it's very cool to see where we should and read and where is the best way. Okay, let's continue for today. Again, we're doing let's start with the recon again. As you can see, and I should talk lesser, but this is the concept of recording video to talk. But where we were the previous day, let's open this one and see the, okay, we don't arrive to anywhere, and okay, this JS file get all the, as you can see, JavaScript, open domain. What if we try to, is this behind of the, okay, X Amazon, okay. Let's send this to the, in here, and let's X forward that for, and for first try, let's start with HTTPS google.com and see what happened in here, and search for the Google. Nope, this is for the that one. I think it's a good place to, let's change the request and send again, and no. Okay, get back in here. As you can see, we redirect to this login page that don't have any registration. Why? Because of the partner hub. And what if we find, I think it's cool to do this site and www, skip the www and skip the news home and cloud connect. Okay, what is it? It's look amazing. And okay, As you can see, what if I going in here? Let's translate to see what is it. Let's continue. Kitchen and again subscription center unsubscribe SMS confirmation and what happened in here. Let's see the proxy. We again get nothing in here and get back in here and let's see in the inspect and go to the debugger and Amazon. Okay, that's cool. CloudFront bots, S3. Get back in here and this one, country, and what is this? Please insert your phone number to unsubscribe from promotional SMS. Which countries cover? Okay, I think, I don't know, correct number, and you're unsubscribed. Oh, Jesus. We arrived to some interesting full dial code, recapture response, country. Let's what happened in here and okay, what if I remove this one and hidden country code for menu. Let's get back in here. It's weird. I think we should work on there is no place to, okay, inspect, and let's see what we have in here, debugger, okay, and H1, brand name from, okay, this is cool, this is hidden, and dial code, okay, custom event, and int, tell input, and utils, validate. Let's check this one. And okay, back back top. Okay, and key up, click input, and this is cool. Okay, what if we trying to send this one 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 to several to see what happened? You are now unsubscribed from. What is this? What if I try to close the H1 and try input the X and close this one and send? Okay. Oh, what if I shift 4? Okay, this is cool. And what if we trying to change the request method and send this again? Oh, let's verify it and see what happened. Okay, we changed the method and it's worked. What if in here we trying to send this one and okay, error? And what if we search what XSS payloads port trigger and cheat sheet? Yep, 2024 edition. And let's open up this one and get back in here. I think it's something interesting is in here, and I think it's cool. What if the in the Chrome and where we are at all, we are in here. Where is it? We are in here, and this is the inside the tag, inside H1 tag, inside H1 tag, and let's see what we have in here. And we are inside, not in the. Let's check is it is sensitive to the H1 tag, or it just sensitive to this one. Okay, what if put T and okay, and let's see what happened in here, and let's see, and I think it's not that kind of bypass that I going to do, but it's worth to check, right? And what if we try and do this? And okay, percent 0A, and okay, let's see what happened. I think nothing happened, and it makes sense because of the this one. And let's open up script. What if we open up a script tag, and again, person 0A, again, is going to get interrupt the fellow. Okay, I'm going to work on this fellow and get time on it. I think it's worth. I'm going to tell you any news get get that if I trying to bypass it. If I'm not, then I'm I'm going to tell you goodbye. Okay, everyone. After some struggling with these endpoints, I can't find any solution to bypass the filter of the and restriction in these endpoints. But I think it's okay and it's enough for today. For tomorrow, we're going to continue this approach. I think this is better than we just talking and do not anything. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I'm very glad to. I'm very glad for the tomorrow live session, and Sundays record we don't have record this challenge and get straight to the live sessions. So I see you tomorrow in the live, and again this challenge is going to be continue on the Monday, and everything is cool. I think that's it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Again, you can reach me via any social media links in my profile and anywhere. And if you have any suggestion, you can tell me. I think this audio quality is better than the previous day. And see you tomorrow.